Ever tried cooking fast, but your blender and food processor slow you down? Today, I'm revealing the top 6 best blender food processor combinations that save time, space, and effort. Welcome to the channel. Stay tuned to find the perfect match for your kitchen, and grab yours easily through the links in the description below. On number 6 is Ninja 72 ounce. Did you know most blenders struggle with more than just smoothies? The Ninja 72 ounce proves that a single appliance can handle bulk, speed, and precision all at once, making it a standout in the top 6 best blender food processor combinations. Many home cooks wrestle with multiple gadgets, limited counter space, and uneven blending that ruins sauces, soups, and smoothies. Ninja solves this with sheer capacity and power. 72 ounces means family-size batches without multiple rounds, and the sharp blades crush ice, nuts, and veggies with minimal effort. Its intuitive controls simplify operation, while the large container reduces spills and mess. Compared to others, Ninja can feel bulky, but the trade-off is unmatched volume and consistency. Cleanup is easier than expected, and its versatility handles everything from smoothies to purees. When you want speed, efficiency, and professional-like results without juggling appliances, Ninja 72 ounce transforms everyday cooking into a smooth, satisfying experience. At number 5 is Nutribullet Triple Prep. Most people think small blenders can't multitask, but the Nutribullet Triple Prep proves otherwise, earning its spot among the top 6 best blender food processor combinations. Many kitchens struggle with juggling a blender, food processor, and chopper, leading to clutter, wasted time, and uneven results. Triple Prep tackles this head-on. Its modular design lets you blend smoothies, chop vegetables, or grind nuts without switching machines. Compact yet surprisingly powerful, it handles daily prep effortlessly, making it ideal for small kitchens or busy mornings. Compared to others, it can't tackle massive batches at once, but the trade-off is portability and quick setup. Cleanup is a breeze, and its versatile attachments unlock tasks that normally require multiple gadgets. For anyone seeking efficiency, consistency, and simplicity, Nutribullet Triple Prep transforms cooking into a streamlined, enjoyable process. When your counter stays clear and prep feels fast, every meal starts with less stress and more satisfaction. At number 4 is Hamilton Beach 350 watts. Most people underestimate how much power matters in everyday kitchen tasks, yet a weak blender can turn smooth soups into chunky disappointments. That's where the Hamilton Beach 350 watts earns its place in the top 6 best blender food processor combinations. Many home cooks struggle with small appliances that overheat, stall, or leave uneven textures. Hamilton Beach solves this with a reliable 350-watt motor that handles daily blending, chopping, and pureeing efficiently. Its compact design fits neatly on counters without sacrificing performance, making it ideal for smaller kitchens or quick prep. Compared to others, it doesn't produce giant batches, but it shines in versatility and convenience for single meals or family snacks. Cleanup is straightforward, and the durable blades handle ice, vegetables, and soft dough without fuss. For anyone seeking a practical, affordable, and consistent helper, Hamilton Beach 350 watts transforms ordinary meal prep into a faster, smoother, and more satisfying kitchen experience. On number 3 is Oster 24 ounce. Most people think small blenders can't keep up with real kitchen tasks, but the Oster 24 ounce proves that size isn't everything. Among the top 6 best blender food processor combinations, it stands out for those who value speed, portability, and precision. Many users struggle with bulky appliances that are hard to clean, store, or manage for single servings. Oster solves this with a compact, lightweight design that tackles smoothies, sauces, and small chopping tasks without cluttering your countertop. Its 24-ounce capacity is perfect for 1 or 2 servings, and the sharp blades handle fruits, veggies, and ice smoothly. Compared to others, it doesn't produce huge batches, but the trade-off is convenience, quick setup, and easy cleanup. The detachable jar and simple controls make daily prep effortless. For anyone seeking efficiency in a small package, Oster 24 ounce transforms cooking into a fast, stress-free, and surprisingly versatile experience. At number 2 is Honinjoy All-in-One. Many kitchens are filled with gadgets that promise convenience but create clutter, and that's where the Honinjoy All-in-One changes the game among the top 6 best blender food processor combinations. Most home cooks struggle juggling multiple appliances for blending, chopping, or kneading, leading to wasted time and frustration. Honinjoy solves this with a truly versatile design. One appliance handles smoothies, sauces, dough, and even nut processing with ease. Its intuitive controls let you switch tasks seamlessly, while the compact footprint keeps counters clear. Compared to high-capacity models, it's more suited for everyday prep rather than family-sized batches, but the trade-off is a streamlined experience that feels effortless. Cleanup is simple, and the attachments are durable, letting you experiment without hesitation. For anyone who wants variety without chaos, Honinjoy All-in-One transforms cooking into a satisfying, organized, and surprisingly stress-free process, making every meal faster, cleaner, and more enjoyable from start to finish. Now moving to the last one is Sangcon 350 watts. Most multitasking appliances promise versatility but deliver frustration, but the Sangcon 350 watts flips that script, earning its spot in the top 6 best blender food processor combinations. Many home cooks face a constant battle. Bulky gadgets, uneven chopping, and inconsistent blending that slows meal prep. Sangcon solves this with a compact yet powerful 350-watt motor that handles everything from smoothies and sauces to dough and nuts, all without taking over your counter. Its thoughtfully designed attachments let you switch between tasks quickly, and cleanup is surprisingly effortless. Compared to others, Sangcon sacrifices batch size but gains unmatched maneuverability and daily practicality. The sharp blades cut through ingredients efficiently, and the durable build feels like it will last. For anyone tired of juggling multiple appliances, Sangcon 350 watts transforms cooking into a smooth, organized, and enjoyable process, making every recipe faster, easier, and surprisingly satisfying from start to finish. Chopping, and even dough prep effortlessly. Its compact design saves space without compromising performance, and cleanup is surprisingly simple. Compared to options like Ninja 72-ounce or Nutribullet Triple Prep, Sangcon balances power, versatility, and user-friendly operation perfectly. For anyone who wants consistent results, time-saving efficiency, and a reliable all-in-one appliance, Sangcon 350 watts transforms cooking into a smooth, enjoyable experience. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 best blender food processor combinations. All the links are given. If you're looking for a kitchen companion that truly does it all, the Sangcon 350 watts is your go-to choice among the top 6 best blender food processor combinations. With powerful blending and precise processing, it handles smoothies. In the description, to check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.